Today I'm planning to select UPL stock to trade, so we'll be trading on UPL. So let's see how the stock would perform today. We'll be trading on UPL. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 11th of November and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 0.28% down. Okay, so it's opening at 17,000. 967.45. Advanced stocks are 10, declines are 36, and unchanged is 4 stock. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Tata Steel with 0.49% up and UPL with 0.35% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, ONGC with 0.70% down and ESA Motors with 0.61% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot, the link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Today I'm planning to select UPL stock to trade, so we'll be trading on UPL. So let's see how the stock would perform today. So guys, right now I'm planning to short sell this stock in the market level in the intraday around 772. So let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock has made a low of almost 765.75. So I just took my exit now around 766. So yes, it was a very quick movement. As you guys can see, it was very fast also, and the stock moved in a very good direction, because you can see the market is also coming down. So the market trend and the stock trend is matching. So that's why we could see this kind of quick movement happening in this stock. And yes, our target has been achieved now. And also you can see here how quickly the stock bounced up, because there was some support level here around 765. So it hit the support level, and now the stock is going up. So from here the buying can be done, because it has hit the support level, and from here the stock has a chance of going 0.5% up or something like that. But anyway, I just booked my profit in the short sell. Okay, so this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of UPL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.